Right. Oh, there you are. Very welcome back, everybody. This is Teacher Roy again. Can you hear me? You see me? All right. It's been another week, rainy mostly, but we got through it. So if you remember, last week, we were doing instruments and we were also doing sound, how they sound and how to make sound. We're going to look at that again today. And a few new words that have to do with sound. So very welcome back, everybody. I hope you're well out there and that your brains are turned on. It's time to turn them on now. Click, click, on. So here we go. We'll just warm our brains up a little bit first with stand up and sit down exercise again. And then we'll move on to the words. So here we go. I want you to stand up if it's correct answer and sit down if it's not correct. Music is nice sound. Music is nice sound. Stand up. Yeah, music is nice sound. It sounds good to the ear. We like to listen to it. A clarinet looks like a long black flute. Yes, it does. Stand up. Clarinet looks like a long black flute. A symbol is food. A symbol is food. No, a cymbal is a metal instrument that you smash together to make a crashing sound. A drum is a string instrument. A drum is a string instrument. No, it's not. A guitar is a string instrument. We'll get back to that in a moment. So sit down. An electric guitar has six strings. An electric guitar has 6 strings. Yes, it does. Stand up. Very good. A flute has piano keys. Flute has piano keys. Yeah, stand up. No. A flute has finger holes and you blow air. They don't have any keys like a computer or a piano. No. A keyboard looks like a small piano. A keyboard looks like a small piano. Yes, stand up. Yeah, very good. A saxophone looks like an S. A saxophone looks like an S. Yes, it does. Stand up. Trombone is a violin. A trombone is a violin. No, sit down. Trombone is a very long metal instrument. A trumpet is a song. No. Trumpet is an instrument, a metal instrument. Let's see. A violin is an old wooden instrument. A violin is an old wooden instrument. Yes, it is. Stand up, please. A rose is beautiful. Yes, it is. Stand up. Cymbals sound loudly. Cymbals sound loudly. Yes, stand up. They do. A band is an animal. A band is an animal. No, a band is a pop band. that play music. They're very popular, a band. And finally, last one, copy means one more thing the same. Copy means one more thing the same. Yeah, stand up. Yeah, correct answer. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's move on. Go into the 10 different instruments in my lexicon series 5. We have 10 instruments. 10 instruments. The first one is cymbals. Cymbals. 2 metal plates that you crash together. Cymbals. C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Then we have 2 words. This is a long one. Electric guitar. Electric guitar. That's a guitar, but you can connect it to computers and electronic equipment to make it sound more fun or greater. So electric guitar. Then we have an instrument called trumpet. It's a metal instrument made of brass. Looks a little bit like gold almost in color. And when you blow air into it, it sounds very powerful. So a noisy sound. Ooh, very loud. Trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. And then we have a cousin of the trumpet. It's one of the longest instruments on the market. It's a metal brass instrument too, but you blow air. Trombone. T-R-O-M-B-O-N-E. Then we have the keyboard. It looks like a piano, but you can connect it to computers and stuff. And it's electronic in nature. So you can make many fun sounds with a keyboard. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Yeah. And then we have the flute. Flute. Some of you students can play flute because you play it here at Darun Patana when we have our morning gatherings or marches or whatever we do, sing songs. We play flutes. So it's a little instrument about 40 centimeters long, made of wood or plastic. Flute. F-L-U-T-E. Then we have saxophone. Saxophone. Notice PH there. PH. That's an F sound. Saxophone. Looks like an S. Curled a little bit. Very popular instrument with jazz musicians. Saxophone. Then we have violin. It's a very old-fashioned instrument made of wood. You put it under your or on your shoulder and then hold it under your chin and then you play with a stroke. Violin. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. And then we have drums. They too are very noisy. Boom, 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 boom. And some of you can play drums too here in the mornings when we have our morning gatherings. So drums, one drum, sorry, no S, one drum, 2 drums or many drums. D-R-U-M-S. Clarinet, that is, it looks like a big flute, about maybe 90 centimeters, 1 meter long, and it's black in color. Very nice sound, I like them. Clarinet, clarinet, C-L-A-R-I-N-E-T. Okay, those were the 10 instruments that we're looking at today. And now, please, if you can bring out your My Lexicons, and we'll start looking at Series 5. Series 5. Yes, so number 101 is music. The music, of course, as I said before, it's something we like to hear. Your favorite pop group or maybe a concert, just music when you're working or studying, you're studying your homework. You like to put some music in your ears. Music. Clarinet, black colored, large flute type of instrument, about 90 centimeters, maybe 80, 90 centimeters long. Then we have cymbal, 2 plates, metal plates that you smash together. Or if you're a drummer, you can hit one cymbal. Cymbal. And then we have the drum. Again, you play them here in the morning. Boom, 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 boom. Drum. You hit them with sticks. So 1 drum, 2 drums. And then we have a very popular instrument with pop bands. That would be the electric guitar. Electric guitar. A guitar that can be connected to computers and sound systems, and you can make fantastic noises with them. Or music, depends on how you see it. Then we have the flute, F-L-U-T-E. 30, 40 centimeters long, round object that you can play and make notes or tones on or through. You blow air. Flute. Keyboard, electronic piano, electric piano that can make many, many sounds too. They're very popular in most music groups or bands because you can use them for all kinds of music and sound. So keyboard, a key is something that you press down. You have a keyboard on a computer, you have a keyboard on a piano. Cling, 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 cling. Or A, B, C on a computer. Keyboard. 108, saxophone. That's a big brass instrument that goes like an S. S. Saxophone. And there's an X there, S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. Then we have the trombone, one of the bigger instruments, very long. And you move a handle out and in to make the sound, made of metal. Trombone. Next one is trumpet. It's a little shorter, maybe, 60 centimeters long, made of metal, brass as well, with 3 valves at the top that you make sound with. That would be a trumpet, very noisy, strong sound, trumpet. Violin, we all know that one. Maybe 1 or 2 of you can play a violin. You like to play the violin. Yeah, it's a nice sound, very old-fashioned, but nice in the group. And then we have beautiful. That is an adjective. It's not an instrument. Beautiful just means something looks very nice. A flower can be beautiful. A park can be beautiful. Or somebody you love can be beautiful. Beautiful. And then we have loudly. Something that's too noisy, too much sound. No. I can't stand it. Noisy or loudly. Sorry, loudly. Loud means strong noise. Band. A band would be a pop group, BKK or whatever they're called, BNK48 or Blackpink. Famous bands in Thailand. So pop bands, maybe 4 or 5 people playing together, making music. That is a band. Rock band or pop band. It can also be a brass band. 30 people, 30 people playing together with trumpets and guitars and drums. It can be a large number of people. band. Then we have copy. Make a copy. Oh, Teacher Roy, I want one more of that. Make 2 copies. Okay. Copy. Make something that is the same again. Copy. Ocarina. Again, this is an instrument, a small flute-like instrument. It looks almost like a bird, usually 20 centimeters long with maybe 10 holes. You can play on. Ocarina. And then number 117, an instrument. That's many things. It can be lots of instruments, all the different instruments, a flute, a guitar, a keyboard, a drum, clarinet, just the list just goes on. A bass. There are many, 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 many instruments. Delicious, that's not an instrument. That is how something tastes or sounds. If you have an ice cream, it's delicious to eat. Yummy, yummy, okay? You like it, you like the taste. But sound can also be delicious. You like to hear something. Ooh, what a delicious sound, okay? So it's just a word that describes something nice, a nice feeling. Sound, something, noise or a vibration that comes into your ear from a fly, or it can be a sound from a car. Whoa, sound, vibration in the air. And then, of course, yes, we have vibrate. Vibrate would be a phone. When it rings, bzz, bzz, that's vibration. But vibration can also be a guitar. When you strike the string, dong, vibration. It's called vibration. Go up and down or move back and forward. Vibration. So vibrate, vibrate. Make tighter. Ooh, that's difficult to explain, but if you have a string on a guitar, bong, doesn't sound right. Bong, 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 bong. You screw it tighter, you tighten the string. Make tighter. Thick string, thick, something that's thick. This is a thick pen, thick pen. And this is a thin pen. So thick pen, thin pen. Okay. So thick string would be a sound that's high. Ding, ding. Thin string. Ding. And then we have thick string. That would be a low sound. Bong, bong. And then we have pitch. If the sound goes up, pitch up. And if the sound goes down, pitch down. Now you Thais, you know this when you speak because you have to say words with sound. Pitch up, pitch down. Pitch up, pitch down. Pitch. And then finally, describe. If you want to describe something, this pen has a blue cap. A hen is an animal about this big, and they lay eggs, and they can have many colors. They are black or white or brown. A hen. You are describing something. My name is Roy. I weigh 73 kilos. I'm 79 centimeters tall. So you are telling someone what something looks like. You describe. Okay, let's go to today's work, shall we? Some nice pictures. There we go. So if you look at the pictures here, you see instruments, many instruments. You have trombone, saxophone, you have a piano, you have drums, and you have violins and other instruments too. We're not looking at them today, but they're there. And then the other picture, that is a girl who is describing a chicken. The chicken has a beak, that's the mouth, feathers and 2 legs. Describe. We'll get back to that in a moment. So here we go. Oops. So series 5 first. This is last week's word. So take it easy. You don't need to write anything yet. But when we get to 117, I want you to write in your notebooks, please. So here we go. 109, that's a trombone. If you look up in the left corner, you can actually see a small trombone. It's a long instrument, and I'll show a picture of it in a moment. Made of metal. It's a brass instrument. 110, trumpet. Very noisy instrument, but good sound. Also made of metal, about half a meter, maybe 60 centimeters long. Then we have violin, very old-fashioned instrument. I'm not sure how old they are, but I would say around 1,000 years old, the first experiments with violins. Very old. 112, beautiful. Yeah, anything that looks good, anything that your eyes like to see something. Beautiful. Can be a bird or, yeah, something that looks good. Loudly, 113. Noisy again, bad noise like a car or a lorry or a machine. It's not nice to listen to. It's too noisy, too much sound. Loudly. 114, band. Yeah, Blackpink or whatever, pop bands, popular music bands. 3, 4, 5, 6 people playing music together with different instruments. That would be a band. 115, copy. Yeah, you go to the copy machine and you copy a piece of paper or a picture, something that you want to give to somebody else. You only have one, but you need 2 or 3 or 10. You can copy them many times. Copy. Ocarina, that's that little flute-like thing. I'll show you a picture later what it looks like. And now to the new words today, 9 new words. So pay attention, write these words into your notebooks, please. Okay, 117, instrument. Again, the picture on the left, up on the left side there, those are instruments, many instruments that you play music on or with. Instrument. 118, delicious, D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious, something that tastes good or something that sounds good. Delicious. Then we have 119, sound. Anything you can hear with your ears, any kind of noise or music that you like, that is nice for the ear, maybe sound, sound. S-O-U-N-D. 120, vibrate. Something that vibrates, or when you pick a string on a guitar, bong, bong, vibrate, V-I-B-R-A-T-E. 121, make tighter. Yeah, when you want to change the sound, make a different sound, you can tighten the string. You pull it harder. Bong, 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 bong. Okay, make tighter. 122, thick string. That would be a low bass sound like bong, 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 bong. And then you have 123, a thin string. Bing, 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 bing. Thin string. 124, pitch, P-I-T-C-H, sound that goes up or down, or pitch down, pinch up, pitch. And finally, 125, describe. You tell somebody how something looks. It can be a thing or a person. Describe. Okay, let's move on to the pictures now. If you're ready. Here we go. Last week, we saw these. 109, trombone. Long metal brass instrument with a deep sound. Trombone. 110, trumpet. I think you've seen them many times on TV. Very noisy instrument, but also nice. It's good to have in a bigger band. Trumpet. 111, violin. You hold it under your chin, between your chin and your shoulder. You lay it down on your shoulder and hold it with your chin. And then you play it with a stroke there. Violin. Beautiful, something that your eyes like to see, or your ears like to hear something that's beautiful. Beautiful, looks good, sounds good. 113, loudly. Oh no, too much sound, too strong. I don't like it. Please turn down the volume, turn down the sound. Loudly. Then we have a pop band, quite funny. Band, they play popular music that people like to listen to, young people like to listen to. Pop band or rock band. Then we have a copy. The colored figure on the right is being copied. So there's a new one being made exactly the same. That is a copy. Something that's the same. Copy. Ocarina. Ocarina. It's usually, what do we call that? Porcelain, yeah, porcelain instrument made from dried clay or heated clay. And this one is blue in color. It has many holes you can play on. Someone who's good with the ocarina can make really lovely music. It's beautiful to listen to. Ocarina. And now the new words today, so pay attention. Number 117, instrument. Instrument. And we have the saxophone, we have guitar, we have bass guitar or electric guitar. We have drum, and we also have bass drum there. There are many, many instruments. Piano. Instrument. Delicious, something that tastes good or sounds good. And we have a chef here or a cook who has just tasted something and he likes it. So he's going, very good. Delicious. Delicious. 119, sound. This is a loudspeaker. Maybe it's music sound that's going out through the air, vibration in the air. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Vibrate. This man is having trouble because his big machine is vibrating and he can't stay still. Vibrate. 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 121, make tighter. This person is tightening the string of a guitar. There are 6 strings and one of them is maybe sounding wrong sound. So he or she is adjusting the sound. make tighter. So the sound will go up. Dong, 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 dong. Make tighter. 122, thick string. This would be the lower sounds. Bong, 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 bong. Thick string. 123, thin string. This is a very thin string, and that's for high notes. Ding, 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 ding. Thin string. And finally, 124, pitch. Pitch. That means if the sound goes up or the notes go up, you pitch up. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Pitch. Go up or pitch down. Ti, 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 ti. Pitch. And finally, number 125, describe. This girl is describing a chicken. Chicken has a beak, the chicken has feathers, and the chicken has 2 legs. And the girl has black hair and 2 eyes. Describe. Describe. Okay, everybody, now we can wake up again. Play a little game. So if you're ready, we'll start with the old stuff from last week, words from last week. And there are 10 of them, but I repeat 2 words here, I think, so we'll see. Trombone, trumpet, violin, beautiful, loudly, band, copy, ocarina, trombone again, and loudly again. So are you ready, everybody? P61 and 62, please.
ตอนนี้นะคะจะเล่นเกมแล้วซึ่งคำศัพท์ในหน้านี้นะคะลูกเป็นคำศัพท์เดิมสัปดาห์ที่แล้วใครจดไว้นะแน่นอนตอบได้แน่นอนเนาะตอนนี้ใครอยากตอบลูกกด1มารอเลย
Okay. Number 1, Bill, that's a boy. Which instrument is made of brass, is very noisy, and has an M, letter M, in the middle of its name? It's a chichichit, correct.
Trumpet.
Trumpet, correct. And which class are you in?
6/2.
6/2. Congratulations, 1 point. Number 2, Wade, that's a boy or man. Which instrument sounds like a flute, but looks like a submarine? The only instrument I can think of is the chichichit. Yes, that's it. What could that be? An instrument that looks...
Ocarina.
Ocarina, very good, very good. And you are in class?
6/2.
6/2 again, ocarina, yes. And we have number 3, Beth. I think trumpets sound okay, but the sound of the long chichichit is nicer. I like both of them, Claire.
Trombone.
Trombone, yes, very good, P6. You are in class, what class? 6/1, 6/2?
ฟ้าบอกห้องด้วยลูก
6/2.
6/2, okay. 6/2 has 3 points, 6/1, you need to come into the game now. You're falling behind. 6/1, wake up. Number 4, Wanda, that's a girl. Who is making that chit-chit-chit noise in your home? Well, My brother likes to listen to his pop music after school.
ปุ๊บปั๊บ
Loudly.
Yes. Yes, loudly. Very good. 6/2. Whoa. 6/2 has 4 points. Very good. Number 5. I really like this music, Peter. May I have a chit of it from you? Sure. I'll send it to your smartphone. Great.
น้องเอ๋ย
Copy.
Sorry?
Copy.
Copy, yes, copy. I have difficulty hearing you there. What class are you in?
Select one.
6/1. Okay. Welcome into the game, 6/. Now, number 6. Mom, I'm tired of being indoor. Can we go out somewhere? Okay, let's visit a chit flower park.
ปลายฝน
Huh? One more time.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yes. Beautiful. Very good. Very good.
6/2.
6/2. Whoa. 6/2 has 5 points. 6/1 has 1 point. Gary, that's a boy. What will you do when you finish school? Oh, I want to join a rock chit. It is my dream.
น้ำฟ้า
Band.
Band, yes, band. Fantastic. Band. All right. What class are you in?
6/2.
6/2 again. Okay. Pulling away here. What is the name of this new famous pop group, Claire? Claire is a girl. They are called Thunder. Is it because they play so chit? Ha ha ha.
เอ้ย
Loudly.
Yes, loudly. Correct. Very noisy and loudly. What class?
6/1.
6/1. Okay. There we go. Number 9. What do you like to... why do you like to play the chit mic? Because it has a powerful, deep, low sound and it looks great.
ปุ๊บปั๊บ
Trombone.
Yes, trombone. The correct answer. Very good. What class are you in?
6/2.
6/2. Well. And finally, number 10. Genjira, can you tell me which instrument has 4 strings and you hold it on your shoulder and under your chin? It's a chit. Yes, it is.
นน
Violin.
Yeah, violin. Okay.
นน
Okay, Noon. What class?
6/1.
Sorry? 6/1.
1.
Okay. 6/1 again. Come on. Oh, 1. Sorry. Okay, and now to the new words that we learned this week, today. Let's see if that's better. Number 117 up to 125. And I think this should be series 6. Let's see. Yeah, instrument, delicious, sound, vibrate, make tighter, thick string, thin string, pitch, describe, and sound again. Yeah. So here we go. Number 1, Benny, that's a boy. Which instrument, chit, do you like the most? I like the chit of the keyboard the most.
น้องเอ๋ยลูก
Little bit difficult. What did you say?
delicious
No, not delicious. Sorry. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, change.
น้ำฟ้า
Are you there? What is it that goes dum,
ขอเป็นโอ
dum,
มี่
dum? What is that?
โอมี่ค่ะ
Okay, I'll give you a little hint here. It has a U in the middle.
มีตัวยูตรงกลาง
Letter U in the middle.
ได้ไหมไม่ได้กดหนึ่งมาไว้
Instrument.
No, not instrument. It's a small word.
Sound.
Sound, correct. Very good. Which instrument?
Letter.
Yeah, 6/2. Okay. Pulling away hard here. Number 2, Wilma, that's a woman or a girl. What kind of sound does a chit make? It makes a high sound like a small bird. What kind of sound does a chit make?
อะไรมีเสียงสูงลูก
Ding, ding. What could it be?
ได้
Twin string.
One more time, please.
Tin string.
Okay, not tin, but thin, but it is correct. Thin string. Six slash 2 again. Wow. 6/2, you have 9 points, and 6/1, you have 3. Come on, 6/1. Where are you? Number 3, Cliff. And that's a boy. What chit has black and white keys? Oh, that must be the piano.
กดหนึ่งมานะคะลูก
Remember the picture with many things on it? What are they called?
เขาเรียกว่าอะไรลูกเครื่องดนตรีหรืออะไรคะสังเกต
What are we studying today? We are studying different.
ไว้มาเลยครับลูก
Instrument.
Yes, instrument. Whoa, very good.
Slash 2.
อื่นไม่ช่วยตอบเลยนะ
Oh.
ห้องหนึ่งเงียบเลยนะห้องหนึ่งนะ
Number 4, Wari. How do you tune a string to sound higher? We say chit. You must pull the string harder.
ข้อนี้คะแนนของห้องหนึ่งค่ะ6/1ค่ะถ้ายังไม่6/1ไม่ช่วยกันตอบข้อนี้ก็ยังจะไม่ไปต่อ เพราะว่าตอนนี้มีแต่6/2มีแต่ไบร์ทเนี่ยช่วยต่อตรงนี้
So, ding, 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 ding. What do you call
การ
that?
pitch เหรอครับ
Not pitch, but you're on the right track. What do you do with a string? Difficult? Yeah. Remember the hand there. It's doing something on a guitar. What was that hand doing? That picture. What do you do? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay.
โอเคเดี๋ยวเด็กๆรอแป๊บนึงนะลูกเมื่อกี้เน็ตหลุดนะคะ
Okay, testing again. Sound test. Can you hear me? Do you hear my voice?
เด็กได้ยินจากที่เชื่อไหมลูกถ้าได้ยินถูกโอเคโอเคข้อนี้นนท์มา
Okay.
Vibrate.
No, not vibrate.
Make
Make tighter, yeah, not teeter, but tighter. Correct. Okay, I'll give you that one. Make 6/1. Congratulations. Welcome in. Make tighter. Number 5, Tom, can I say chit when I talk about the sound of music? Sure, music can taste just as good as food.
ฟ้า
delicious.
Yes, delicious. Very good. Okay. What class are you in?
6/2.
6/2. Number 6. Mom, does a guitar string chit when we play it? Yes, it does. And it makes us feel good, Becky. What does a guitar string do? Mom, does a guitar string chit? Dum, dum. Anyone? What does your telephone do when it rings?
เมื่อมีคนโทรมาเนี่ยภาษามันจะเป็นยังไงน้องนนท์ลูก
No, not pitch. Sorry.
เวลาเราดีดกีตาร์สายมันจะเป็นยังไง
7, 6, 5.
Thin string.
No, not thin string.
ขอเป็นการมาเปลี่ยนเป็นเด็กชายกัน
ครับ vibrate เหรอครับ
Vibrate. Correct. Fantastic. Okay. Very good. Vibrate. Who was that? 6.
6/1
6/1 again. Welcome back, 6/1. Number 7, Nan, can you chit yourself, please? Okay, I'm 12 years old, have brown eyes, and I'm 145 centimeters tall.
ไป
describe
Describe, fantastic, very good. Describe.
/2
Yeah. You know that. Brilliant. Number 8. If I want to make my music sound dangerous, how should I chit it? Most musicians would play stronger and with lower sound. How should I chit it? Anyone? Nobody? Okay, when something, a sound goes up, what do we call that? Or a sound goes down?
เราทำยังไงลูกให้มันมีเสียงสูงเสียงต่ำเราทำยังไงคะทำยังไงให้มันมีเสียงสูงต่ำลูก
Okay.
แม่บูลองสิ
Any ideas? Okay, I'll have to help you a little here then. The word has a T in the middle.
มีตะทีอยู่ตรงกลางคำศัพท์อะไรมีตะทีตรงกลางโน้ตส่วนมาเลย
Peach.
Pitch, yes, pitch, pitch.
6/1.
Yes, very good. 6/1. Pitch. Sound goes up or down. Number 9, Gary, what is the chit on a guitar used for? Well, it vibrates. It makes a lower sound than the thin string. When it vibrates, it makes a lower sound than the thin string.
โน้น
Sound.
What is the chit on a guitar used for? It's not sound. It's a part of the instrument, something that's on the instrument.
มันเป็นส่วนหนึ่งของ
Trick string.
Thick string, yes, thick string. Who said that?
6/1.
6/1, yeah. Thick string. Ooh, okay. 7 points for 6/1 and 12 points for 6/2. Okay. Last question here. I'm tired and I want to relax now. I'm going to listen to some nice flute music. Flute chit always makes me feel calm. What could that be?
โน้น
Sound.
Sorry?
Sound.
Yes, sound. Very good. That's it. Sound. The sound of a flute.
6/1.
Yeah? 6/1. So far we have 12 points for 6/2 and 8 points for 6/1. And now we do some spelling. It's a little bit low, I think.
เด็กๆดูตัวหนังสือบนกระดานหน่อยลูกว่าโอเคไหมโอเคนะคะ
Yeah, it's the correct
Yeah, you said
direction.
that.
Okay, yeah. Stand a little further back. Okay, I hope this works. Let's see. Let's start with the old word from 109 to 116 in my lexicon. We'll do medium one here, 6 letters. 6 letters.
6 letter ใครตอบได้ลูกยกมือเลยนะมี6 ตัวค่ะ Series 5
Anybody?
None.
Violin.
Violin, that is correct.
สะกดด้วย
VIOLIN
ห้องอะไรคะ
6/1
6/1. Yes, correct. So VIOLIN, violin.
ไว้ที่นี่
Yep, okay. I'll do it one. And let's go for 7.
7 น้ำ
Anybody?
ฟ้าค่ะ
Ocarina
Ocarina. Very good. Oh,
สะกดด้วยลูก
C
Ocarina
I N and A.
ลง
Very
ห้อง
good.
ด้วยค่ะ
6/2. Okay. And now the new words for today, the ones that we did. So 100, number 117 up to 125. 5 letters.
5 letter 5 ตัวภาษามี5 ตัว enter
sound
sound
Yes, correct.
สะกดครับ
sound
SOUND. Okay. 1 point.
ทีห้องอะไรคะ
6/1
6/1. Good. 6/1. We're coming back. Let's see here. Let's do the harder ones at the end here. 11. Whoa.
11 11 ตัวลูก
Hmm? Anyone?
ต้น
Fixed string
Fixed string. Can you spell, please?
THICK STRING 6/1
Yes. THICKSTRING. Okay, everybody. 2 minutes. Okay. I'll have to stop here. Was that 6/2? 1. Okay. So there we go. What's the last question for today? 6/1, you got 11 points. Not bad. That's very good. You kept coming back at the end, 6/1, so very well done, but you didn't really get there today. 6/2, 13 points. Congratulations. You won the game today. Okay. One last question, everybody. What do you feel you have learned today? What have we learned? What do you remember?
เรียนเกี่ยวกับอะไรคะวันนี้ลูก
Oh. Can you remember? Anybody?
วันนี้เราเรียนเกี่ยวกับอะไรคะไบร์ทไบร์ทลองบอกทีเชอร์สิ
instrument
Yes, instrument, yeah, not instrument, but instruments, yeah. Instruments, anything else?
มีอะไรอีกไหมคะการชายลองบอกทีเชอร์สิวันนี้ได้เรียนเกี่ยวกับอะไรบ้าง
Think about noise. Dong, dong,
เสียงอะไรลูกเสียงสูงเสียงต่ำ
pitch เหรอครับ
Pitch and sound and loudly. Yes, those are different forms of sound. So musical instruments and sound today. Thank you very much, everybody, and I'll see you again next week. Well done.